Hey guys, what is going on? I'm Chili Chew, and today I am playing some Super Smash Mobs as an Enderman, as you can see. Well, no, you can't see. But, yeah, I have played this before with a very special friend of mine. And, so, yes. Oh my goodness, I did not do that. Let's do that! Attack! Weird thing. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I am an Enderman. This is awesome. Oh no! This teleport. Oh, oh. Beam. No, you don't. You're Enderman. You get away. You get away, Enderman. Enderman. I died my first time. I figured out that we all have 4 lives, and we're not losing, man. I'm losing. Oh my. What? Ah! No, no, no. Please. Please, no. No! Wait! Whoa, whoa, man. I could have died. As an Enderman! Oh! Ah! Die! Please not versus a spider like that other time. Oh man, versus a spider. Nice, I got somebody. Oh, this guy named like Vixen or something. Like, ow! Jeez, ow! Ow! Hit the dude off. Ow. Okay, so now I'm down to 2. That stinks. I will get this golem of iron. And there he goes. Oh, whoa, whoa, man, no, man. Chill out. Chillax, bro. Come on. Whoa, come on. Die, you ender of. Whoa, I got a heart left, man. No. Okay, now I'm down to my final heart left. But who cares? I'm happy. I'm happy as an Enderman. And who knows? Ow. Wow, I didn't get far up at all. Okay. Now, blink! Blink away. Oh, whoa, whoa, calm down. Relax, bro. Bro, come on. Oh, no! And, yeah, I died. Okay. What? What's that guy's name? I was looking at that name like, can I just see that from like something? Well, okay, so yeah. Let's just see who wins. Between you and me, I'm rooting for this guy. I'm rooting for this guy. Yes, he's my hero. I like him. Even as an Enderman. Even as an Enderman right here. I will soon just see 200 more emeralds and then I'll be a creeper. No, Enderman. Wait, no, I was a Shadow Rebel. Okay, 3 hearts left. Okay, you know what? This isn't gonna end anytime soon. So, yeah. So, thanks for watching, guys. And please, don't forget to subscribe and leave a little teeny like. Oh, yeah. And don't forget about that, oh yeah, the intros that I was talking about. I really need an intro badly. Oh, for free, of course. Oh, maybe. I go up to like $10, maybe. Well, so, thanks. And in the meantime, guys, until next time, I'm Chili Juice, and have a great day, everybody. Bye.